personality, be who you wanna be. Tell me. So can you feel the groove moving within you?
The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Franklin County, Ohio, east central Clark County, central Madison County, until 11 p.m. At 10:28 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near South Charleston, moving east at 60 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Columbus, Dublin, Upper Arlington, Hilliard, London, Jefferson, West Jefferson, Choctaw Lake, Lake Darby, Grandview Heights, Lisbon, Brighton, Valley View, Marble Cliff, Lafayette, South Vienna, Interstate 70 at U.S. Route 42, Amity, State Route 29 at State Route 38, and Interstate 70 at State Route 56. This includes I-70 in Ohio between mile marker 65 and 98.